Want a simple way to always see today's date right on your Windows desktop? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Date Today app, a lightweight tool that displays the current date directly on your desktop, and add analog clock in your Windows 11 widget board. Date Today is a small Windows utility that displays your chosen date and time format in a window. It is designed for users who want quick access to today's date without opening the calendar or clicking the clock. To start customizing this app, click the Unpin button. Then go to the Settings tab to open the Settings page. Customize. You can change the appearance of the app window to different types, such as an analog clock, or a calendar, where the current date is highlighted with a red circle. Below, you'll find many other options, such as choosing between a 12-hour or 24-hour format or displaying the seconds. You can also adjust the window size to small, medium, large, extra large, or set a custom size. When you scroll down, you'll see options to customize the background and text color. Let's change the background to a light blue color. That looks bright and refreshing. You can customize the panel color to any color you prefer. Let's move on to another feature, the taskbar. In the bottom left of the taskbar, you'll see the Date Today icon in your system tray. With a single click, it opens a floating panel on top. Depending on your selected style, it can display a digital clock, an analog clock, or a time zone clock. Windows 11 widget. You can also add Date Today to your Windows 11 widget board. To do this, click on the weather icon in your taskbar to open the Windows 11 widget board. Then click the large plus Add Widgets button. Next, select Date Today from the list and click the blue Add Widget button. Once added, you will see the widget on your Windows 11 widget board. Furthermore, there isn't just one widget, there are 8 widgets. Let's add them all to the Windows board. By clicking the three-dot menu in the top corner of a widget, you can change its size to small, medium, or large. You can also select Customize Widget to adjust its settings. And that's it. You now know how to use the Date Today Windows app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more app content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.